here trying come on so I'm say Damina was some go so Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so I'm not sure but grateful to you so timid come say timid abrain Mamenka say do sabriani akai say Franco Trading Enterprise Father Roma Safari Tissue Richoko and a Zest Consult one other man san come away e dey bro yeka Franco no kwa de yiri si ni kwan se kasa pi we say ene de o part to bia na say yeah phone ho part bia na say iPhone and as Samsung and Nokia and as a smart TV a free 32 inches copy 65 inches Franco air conditioners so no free 1.5 horsepower air copy 2.5 sound system nyina so unya bi e wodom Mame Sanka o say bribia de Franco fu edi dwa no nhye sonko da ho ma so betimi enya utiri adidi ma ebo ne da form so pa yi pa o frɛ Franco aye 0246 422 338 and 0555 9393 11 now ne Franco for etime kita ho Franco Trading app no so call Google Play Store and also betimi edi udwuma ho na afi WhatsApp website so person ko na ko hu de ekoso yi pa www.francotrading.com now ni ona edin kita ho yaka Franco a ya atum se eye phone papa efi ene ehonom Zest Consult so ekoso provided the best in terms of eye afutu ni akwankyere ewo adansim ewo ehyen hu dwumadi anafe IT eye services nti ebibia da no se ope asase ato ope bi nso aton anase o cars bi wonoma ope busia bi ana ope so de kan di dwuma soronko a Zest ebo eno echi won bo Ghana for ankran so mutimi pass won so re wo eye SAT ne IELTS ne GRE sanso we no won bo ma mutimi twro ma munya kama bibia ko kama edema se owo enkran kwa dia there be Kumasi rather o hwehwe won kira kwan a eye Kumasi Cultural Center Ebendichem so and I say Kumasi Airport roundabout honum so obenya won was Zest Consult number from 055 5631 1633 and I say 050 9092 330 no timely one edin kitawama bibiako one other roma Monday to Friday ye de Mpensenpensemu jumedi no ede ebro na menka do fonse Kofi Tonto su ebekwa kojan this weekend bra okokai ne maame free mfie duni nti nka yesum kese pa na okoya ma ne maame Kofi Tonto ebekoso akase onyame nhira so okoso kai o maame na okoye nka yesum shunko ede amano wasantimantem this weekend Kumasi sounds na kwa kutadie Tadian so Kumasi Members Society, I'm sure Chairman Kofi Amankwa only group ni na no yebekwa kotai kwa kutadie echi this weekend ewa hensan ebra okokata ne papa echi oni ni nuanam ne abusuafo nyina omokokata ne papa echi ama bibia ko nti enkotai kwa kutadie echi this weekend so Kumasi hensan na bibia ko kama emfa ban payfo atenase imyanfo IPay atnasi yeka IPay no say wo MPP nhihye mu enche bia orphan constituencies no won be shase edi dwuma sonko wonum eni ho kwan say yekasa pi eni mayonkofa ne adwuma pa emnyamfo IPay obeyeye ebre no asaso say osaba monim na esi ahenefo no mo kari ni hwe na mo kari ni na magye di say sa eye kari no edi nkunimdi eni asempa ne beba munim ni nyuma waye na munim opepa nso a owode ma eye MPP amanyuku no timgiri se ebre no so na abato na chance o orphan constituencies na ese ni constituency abeka hona obeye de sefata na marshal enimonyam efise munim de on that note mama na kwaba nimnyam for IP honorable akwaba
yeah no minua belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
On social media.
Thank you.
We do our part. Easy. Share things there.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's it. Amen.
Watch the crying.
Oh, Bedasipa. Thank you. Now, constituency boko.
Yami Adom boko. Meminchi a weti for. Ano pay na minchi a ayinsu ano fonso.
Okay.
And ra mi could do juma so nko. Ayinsu ano ye wo 27 electoral area coordinators. Na 1 year si ahirefo no. Medical Asia constituency executives announce my intention to contest again. As anybody in our frame, I am for a title for work constituency in the piping the ordinary Ayensuano citizen on the street. So I use I pay bra. No, what pet I'll be to my boy Ayensuano. No, you ma was shas near why ye near Obertriaso, near when we in a Brabatriaso, no, we my young. And out of the 27, there were 3 major zones. A quota zone, a suburb zone, and a num upper zone. Okay. Now, quota zone is made up of 10 electoral area coordinators. In Tenrami Kushiawang and within Como, a very, very, very positive. Inti woman in our Jato was there, no quarini, or say, Mesamba. Now, and then Yame Adoma, a way Mekwakushia, a numa papem. Okay. Electoral area coordinators, once more 6. Now, Adechia, Fida, and a pound so Makwakushia, a subway. Electoral coordinator.
So in effect, we pass na etwaba
669 to approximately 670, and in the paper to aba ewa yunsiano. Inti mi wie no ya na fi my itinerary amede polling station for no. Your 17 constituency executives, 27 electoral coordinators, and the rest, and then 10 council of elders and patrons. Na fi in California police station for no. Next week, na start. Once na me no makodi nkomo ma kire won say yebue nomination si semre no so na fi eba say forms no available na say yebue a mekwa akofa bi na ma contest na ma sen abeto enwuma pa no so nya mepe won a no se memra na mebeto aso na mum no say o community o krumufo efrew say besoma sorry I say ujetum na osom na osom ni na afei menua Chia Nanado Kufado, the president, meaning say you bet to my share discussions, and I say, I shall be introduced to topics. Mammy Cassas will win your power. Yena social media and the internet, it is a young who never saw among our in us. Sir, international crisis, ya, about financial and economic crisis, ya, about countries in a guana IMF. Now, say, I say, is it Kenya, but some crash on a moon to mean to ya, Edmefoka. Ghana also saw how we are movie. But Yendino, I say, Susuni, a dance on where they compare South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, and other countries. Now, I say, I bang Nanado down Kwekufado, I bang a born home modern papa. It's not a minia near Kosunia and Rami who drew me. We shall danga Nanado down Kwekufado, I bang a Siama police for 320. 32 or 22. Out of Adang, I almost see about 500 and something, 14. I already and then another down Kwekufado, Echo hand over the Ghana Police Service. I feel IGP crown and half hour and Tassantase. Oh, who has one kind of penalty in voice or a network biso. No, because oh, Nyon, a being see that a woman. What's if you made out deep? Who's IGP was started from other ranks as a constable. And one name man will be a commissioner officer and never be IGP. Also, who be that Ghana Police Service? Say a bamba ko pa ba no to me see a dang bebribi. Na no kasa horo a yensu ano kura no. Na so yensa ka ba ko. Nti e adea wonwa no me ma ban ya ba so. And na me call constituency a me ba no. Na me do and say na me driver na nam na fi in some bankran. Road construction expansion of that road network no. Accra in some of Fanco, na me driver be say the bridges are say yes, this is a culvert heavy storm drain akese pa and now retaining walls are almost building very strong ones contractor here adwuma so kwa na nti akese the economy nyina ko say and na do dan Kwekufado adwuma nti say ukọ ayensu ano me constituency Ochina, na do down Kwekufado, SC, no member so na me ko press I don't know at the buy. Ultra modern court complex. abensi makumako 68 across the country na ga me so bete say we hu aduma Ministry of Local Government fund no if he get fund common fund na mame na atoshi na ajaye ko hu ni say hinso anu so esese yenya ye district police command ba police fu ni nya case bia na obekọ court ache so konsam atam so bekọ no obeka ache se kai ni ho ntie ntuma fa ni pa na court it time bia na ye mmara ye sen wo se we detain be for more than 48 hours no se police fu ni busu na alcohol wa bia ebe manim na mekoso ma sa da na keep suspect ni wa oso na botam asun ye nimpa but ye nya kwan fa na court to say vote for oni say excuse ni bi mu one Omanya police vehicle, me preso as an MP meje ba kuma on Toyota Land Cruiser Prado na nyame nyama ko bore na car ko nya akwanhia and say pe aban sam ba just last week DC ho akọ any IGP yi ho dampare akọkasa ma wasenga mo another one apart from the accident and there ya sang Friday we ye bue me na wi amede complex no ewo me phone so me yi di akiraw say complex pa court complex judge no residence bibia ewo ma nyame Adom a ochina ye kwa akobue ano eye ade a eye feye pa nti mama ewo musa ho kira ba ye gitom na ado danko akufu ado na kasa wo ye president no aja atom say ampa ho kira ba finance minister aja atom no kura do ba pa chew say Ghana fan chen ni egusu ya ye toto niama ni nyina achi no development e kosohwe ayensu anu district court complex very beautiful. Oh, wow. Very beautiful anyame Adom a fidei ye buano ye besre MPP fo na yensu anu fo nyina se womra na womehwe na ade a eye fe no esi eye kama osansan so ofa ade a ofa no bum na ofa nso a ode kire na obi amehu ade a na ado danko akufu ado aban aye na mum no ye kesi ye court complex wo basini kama police o mama district police command akadan a obesi amayen wo amayen police vehicles 2 within 2-3 years sisi aka yen lolo kwan a efi ado agiri kofa kota kwapma owuram ma penso me shaase akodu kuro ba kwefro krab kese ntina okwa yagu kota na bedu krab kese sisi afa krab kese tu owuram tru kota wonto asomayen na ayensu anofo yentumi enyina yen na
okay right that's by
Nasiru my very mini Nasiru how my very na me think say NDC for me because what to say me what baby happen no what Nasiru about ya me I say my ya be na we get them me pointing oh yeah very close friends
me wo make up rule na me ka say oh me sign so dey ona boy dey
I mama be abetu na pointing we why ya sama what say that o say onipa no be so be pointing na what do ma che sa na we be wa dan fa fe pointing ye I like a friendly point. Why? Good.
Assalamu alaikum. It's catch you. But we need to trim on here for power.
Oh, you don't have na tradition.
Yes, so serious.
Adom achade.
That who is ordinary see the that the music not to the deep your baby.
Now about my tradition, mama come see how far
to be very fair with you. We Sumisura. Okay. Yeah, we ma. We
but we need this BB.
We are Sumisura. Me dan asenso.
I like the Bebo.
Na benado.
Then this muti say.
Alhamdulillah, ya dan Yankopon say onim say ye na bibia akoso tote sania ehihye no bibia city no. Akayen say ye bedu 13th of next month. Na ye to me aye ne safata na ye nyina no
mo yi dufo na say kojo
is ye be yi John Obama Mahama. There is no two ways about that. I mean,
are you so sure about that?
And yes, let's just sure me mount ye ben say clue utie MPP the major two contenders Alhaji Shamantin and His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
Is it Alan Chairman, Kennedy, Japan?
Dr. The major, Bawumia. Correct.
These are the three
major lead contenders. Yeah. Fine. Fine. I mean, research actually say Kennedy, Japan, and so I can't hook the. But the Americans say, Mitio Munina, unti obi say or kase or pay 90%. Mitie Bamian Crop one also they are working for 60-70% in there. But on the man Mahama, then it see on Mobokas or more 99.9%. Now that's my 1% in our caro. Yeah, they a chama one more ever.
So you don't think there could be a surprise? That Dufo will lead the party.
Well, the surprise is that John Dramani Mahama will win with 70%. It's a surprise. That will be the surprise. This is factual.
I would just say business then at PCI or something.
There was a tissue from 99 or more.
And
not the past 70.
Yeah.
And
that would be the surprise. That would be the surprise. There's no two ways about that. I mean, party for no your motion Ghana for so
what is so special about John Mahama or Professor Saba?
Your friend say you will be a friend candor, sincerity. So when you're American, and a great deal of experience, you be here as a mind in this situation. You be to me account mind or and this is what John Dramani Mahama counts with.
Okay, space
Candor,
now.
sincerity,
okay, space
and
now.
Great deal of experience.
Acceptability on the part of the floating voter. I'll be decided on the fate of the two political parties who lead Ghana. So in between the two political parties, you're a floating voter. No? They're not doing CP until the final day. No? Which is our acceptability now? Is it around John Dramani Mahama, the former president?
Because the floating voter is based in the vote, not on political party affiliation, or based in the vote on facts. Any senior bear or minor be and America major was a fact, but the issue of conduct. Say, obedient and credit.
Within the credit.
Actually, Ghana for. Why not bet about 1% Nippon media and credit? Actually, we are no free a great deal of experience. Said, Embrana, Ujina Walker, Ghana for the wound president there, and someone Walker. Yes, in some case, will be the president and I won't say yes. Ejumana and Yejuma Ketwa. Now, what the number of incompetence and ye na yehu ya ekoso ye kobada ye bibia meduan ka say oka kosi say o man no ayede anamwa one of person ne man mu yede obi abese o man no mu hare no na wodi a wokoba ankrankra no wo mo hare wo tumi expand wo businesses ne ne ekeka ho na o man no ayede ma obi anya bibia hye ne protocol. And also, you have the experience, especially in this current situation. You
need an experienced
person. Why not better about floating water on consider these two critical issues are being at from. So that is what John Mahama.
So there's a school of thought, as you said, maybe he's done enough for the country. And also a term, say a man appointment now, and almost all our political figures, the presidents, they've complained about a 4-year mandate. So what really can he do within 4 years?
I will give you one typical example in the area of education. And that we know ma eku school and taught. We kwa na wama we kwa na wama we kwa na waba nene ekeka. As a result of the unprecedented enrollment in our secondary education. Fine. So unprecedented enrollment. MVT Precopa will share free SHS and almost starting from 1 for Anna Kakran de Koye. Unyamere kra anko beti media ye bibi. Na adia John Dramani Mahama, then as vice president, only the president Mills, it to be year 2009. Unprecedented record. Because now 2009, Form 3 for no more Form 3, no more free school. So in America, or more ever twice work of Form 4, senior former president Kufuor Shishayeno a buyer. Now Form 1 so I become. What is Aqualabi Etiaka? What is Aqualabi Eka P say, you say, you need dormitory. What is OB school a year, no Biako Anopa. Lady. So what you to me within that 4 years, they are unprecedented and one more munya within 6 years up to now to me and solve the problem. I don't know between me in the 4 years. Now what science so I pure. Now ma Ghana I found into my pifra. So that is what is more important, not the time. Because open efficient person, you consider input and output. now what's your timer on also Edibet deliver and John Dramani Mahama has done so on the president within the 4 years in government within 4 years unprecedented achievement and winner. Now what Bisa said within 4 years needs to same crown to be to be free at the bar minimum now internally generated funds are own na saying compared to ne one more emojis come more than 700 billion to say men who yet hey o kasa yem fa yen santo ade ba koso a et sefata 700 billion no bibia ni wa ye de be kire o kasa ene internally generated fund yet hey onya esla ene abanwe enya ye veze Exim Bank because now edi funu you have done it into Exim Bank amount wo buy what sign so enya just say 3 wells amount we have oil fields amount to say more unlike what others came to meet. And all of this 6 years 7 years down the line there is nothing to point to. What we are talking about today is Senebeya Yebenya IMF. Indeed 4 years, 2 years, 1 year doesn't mean anything. It is how to get an efficient person. So when you make into efficiency, and high efficiency so comes out of a great deal of experience. And no one must medical and culture will say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the board. Now yes, the current trend of our politics.
I see. This is a very interesting conversation, especially what Mia pointed out who John Dramani Mahama is and what he intends to do. It's a Ghana former authority now.
Oh, you say.
Momo party there, you are even contending. Who is going to come? Who is going to come?
Yes, as a government, be our party, be our Bema. Mera would you.
But the NDC
presidential candidate, you know.
Some of these things. But the NDC normally they don't face some of these challenges.
Oh yes, because of succession plan. Say one different from ours, and NDC ideology, ne one running of the party, ne different from. We are more conservative as compared to the NDC, no.
But interesting submissions. They just more gonna so muko.
David. Mama Chiro, say no because experience as president. So president one position pe. Nipa ba ko na fele. Udi wi a constitution say won't me be. Nti yem fa experience as president and fan to aba mo bi man be president. You have your experience in your previous dealings or positions, not experience as president. Because president today would do 2 times I win be.
So the case of
if you can see you be the president pen or experience then it means you don't know what you are talking about. It means you haven't read the constitution. So what can constitution is would the president in the 2 terms won't mean be. It is okay see. President Mahama in Trinchen on opportunity to serve again. No crown there are some question marks. People are raising constitutional issues.
No question.
I'm not for raising constitutional issues. But with the Yelfan on Trinchen, say I'm not Trinchen. How on earth can you say and Sana will be the president and just where the people? Meanwhile, the constitution is who got 2 terms. I want to mean Kobi. If the Yelfan say your former president Mahama no not Obia the 2 terms pen. Former presidents in Obia need 2 terms a year. Now could general plasma say, young to Abamo be your experience and what the president penga. What do you mean? It's not here nor there. Obasheni panel experience
before
as minister, as MP, as vice president, as director B to say Kwamnado for as tax expert, as finance minister. These are things we look at, not your position as president. Because president will be back where you be. What 2 terms you are on Kobi? And the constitution is in case would deviate now. Quotenefia make me a presbyterian, not me a presbyter. Are you a presbyter? Once presbyter, always presbyter. Say, me quotina ho 1 term, between some be contested beam. It is a campaign, and as if campaign is allowed in the church. Now me person me some be presbyter beam. Bet my case, Montu Abama Obia, why a presbyter pen no experience because young constitution is say you say presbyter. Now serve 2 terms in year. Now continue feel 1 term. The next elections and after your 1 term, no put me some contested beam. Then of course, but this constitution doesn't allow that. It means so because Montu Abama be your experience and maintenance mean how the person reads the constitution.
The case is unique.
Yes. You see, so that kind of it doesn't come in at all. And I say, even see the former President Mahamadi Eto, me actually experience as president. Na ye san de so de ato abama ne na. And na ka monyo. Hey, president ought to me there soon. And now because she have coordinators no. Because we na me catch we say obia wo question contribution. One of the coordinators sorry. O see, adeba ko me be ye wa yensu anu ya. O pese me san ba biem ne say. Ayensuano, the whole constituency, maybe MP, now Nkruwa light was almost 300,000 villages. Now Nkruwa town light was in 10. And every community in Ayensuano, the few communities of about 5 to be meant to me, and for light and caution. Those Nkruwa, young men in your scar, no about the next community, where the light corn, no matter sit down or a dang nefia, ebubu, some crying in our egu. It is a winning electricity. Because when you are fit for welders, hairdressers, tailor for a copper water for the machine, the Pama use electric machine. Obi to me there soon must say you may 4 consecutive years. Must say you may be any experience na.
Obi a o free aban mu na sa e how na e die so no was solve.
What solve when? When go for solve as you sit here doom so ya manage economy ni enough fuel and to farm a generator doom so will show it ugly head.
No, but no, that cannot be entirely correct.
That is it. Oh. You see, there's one thing having enough generational capacity and there's one thing having enough fuel to generate your peak demand. The two are not the same. The two are not the same. Until you catch a better opposition, you catch this voice. Look, near move face, and yet the generational capacity. No, you don't have enough money to power the capacity that we have to get your highest peak demand. And opa ma ene yenya fuel nyama yesisi ani e say doom so nsan mana. It is okay so solve doom so. But some catch say the only person I to say ma solve doom so say we benya permanently continuous supply of fuel. So my plan be ye benya fuel and they are power young generator for the next 20 years, for the next 30 years. That means you have solved doom so. Now for generators with dubious agreements. Ebe sisi wo ni enu fuel a ye de beguma we say ma so ma you do so efiwo please anya no na kire kra say yet we won say nem finance energy minister owura matopoku prempe on the ECG omani abre nyina ne say amanfo de ka organizations de ka companies de ka government at the ECG ka it as a now we check is about 1.something million. It is ya training and just say sika nyina na yentua ye beden na companies are woman gas and fuel near the power generators near saka companies no it is ni abra ye just na be ya do so nsan ba it will be akase wa solve do so economy say okoti South Africa they have enough generators but the economy is such that they can't even power more the generators to get enough power or more in South Africa soon. It's ebusunya siekese obi asofu dum so amom putting in a proper perception na menka na yentiase Ghana fo nyina ntiase say yes ye experience near the ato aba obi dia ene na enye former president Mahama at all because obi a otumi ekofa Ghana sika e de yen confirm so ampa ye pese ye increase production of poultry products. It confirm ya de be a Ghana for paper and a science and actually and say in confirm fat content in our film. It is even better to consume as compared to nkoko. Na ukofa Ghana fusika. Edi ye project. Na project ni say yan confirm. Na ye business na sika na how de kwa yan confirm no. Ewo he we say in confirm no uma tuko bakina. Ukofa Ghana fusika. Si apese ye plantation. Honorable John Abu Jinapo, Samuel Abu Jinapo, Minister for Lands and Forestry. Would you know? When my dear warrior, what rain season was another one eba. Rain season eba shas and no Adriano. It's one Wusun Sukrana and send us better one, then we are not Jan and also. But to me, Fagana fiscal could do it. You have seen Diana when we with Diana Pebble into Diana show. It's when say, ye dear Diana Pebble. No Diana Pebble are so making enough water system with a water Diano. Now, baby, I'll be doing who make here say, who be doing Diano. In Sutobre, na to imagine also any experience no. Eyi ni fansan to aban family bi ma. Ah, opayine, yeah, Ghana for as well awaked. Me too abeka se me singa baby ma yensu anofo nyira ba aju si he no. Me constituency ni ma, ayensu anofo tumi de won sa kire 1 2 3. Na no me ko akola bi akoko senior high school aye science. When you aggregate 13 otifie adan na onya admission wo Kenya University okoye physical physician assistant. Ewo university wanya obia amfana nko na manfo no esufra ye pesa bitumi de me common fund etua school fees ama ne san ma fe me de me sache me kotokum yi me personal money maybe add that to senior high school satana free senior high school my headmaster no frame me catch him say pay you are so wonderful me who be that checks you go me table so I make accountant I prepare ma me here the bank some are your personal checks. Apart from assembly, not check, I sign in my common fund. Some of them were my personal check. I order quack to money for school fees. And then me figure will be a science student 13. Our school teacher say, "You here because I had about franity fee." You see, I know now I'm out to my records. They catch us all.
Enough.
Now, also been that time. I'm now on records. It's I know you about to measure for my president Mahama. Near Bisanisi. A day. And I didn't say me so. Inconsistencies baby we see free senior high school no ama some of the sectors no esofa nti ma aban sikasem ni to do ba obe review kwan be so na be fa be review sikasem no e be less anye say we cost sharing afei wo ko gina ba bia wo say wo the free senior high school na we see ne boarding dodo ama sectors ni be esofa no wo say wo ba wo the private schools ba be ka ho you see for 19 e ma no he no wo the private schools Baba can already one I would say is overpopulated. School no dosun, nipa dosun, and yama koso into yebokano. What do you say woba? What's on the private school become? Me say the private school become where bear me debt. But near your patch and say you have to be consistent. Say I don't know we see Emma some of the sectors el sofa into 1 year tomorrow. I feel we are also what your U10 is over with the free senior high school. I feel none of crowd so in Shabo. So Shabo because I was not share previously, you know. I went to me so. It will better wash be the account. No money I can say, maybe seminar na suru, also you have a macasado, and then on Shabaka Sabi. Or Casa, on Chama de Baco pet solution. Yes, yeah, economic crisis, international economic crisis, the whole world so far. Now you share countries, African countries, are running to IMF, 32 countries out of 54, and are running into IMF. On Chile, one solution. Now I'm in initial network, so as more kind of say, what about which is Russia? Masa, which is Russia for 10 years, Sika Ubenyano, and we $1 billion out of the $3 billion. So the solution, Sika, here, they are solving problem. It's not about the cancellation of Russia. So Russia and you no the Bagwagan economy, but I'm telling him, and you know the Bagway on Chema de Bakupe. I won yet was IMF workers, Yanko. Some motion economy and I am IMF fine. IMF and Yako. So, up by Bima. Apart from so before man, the IMF, I young the can hold it down. On chilling at the Bakupe one, and I challenge him one thing. I will say, no economy, I dinner, we are seeing the Biaka and the Eba. You be A, B, C, D. Near Ghana, F is all how I live with you. You should tell me.
Okay, very, very simple. I mean, say this argument, and me not yet knew MPP before. Anyone opinion for one, one would do idea.
Only ideas.
Beba, and me not yet knew one, and a woman can be service as our questions we. But let me go to the issues of our raising. We know what my hand. John Domani Mahama, and you all know they do so by. Na breso and Adom so by because previous government share was due to several factors. We won't blame anybody. Or my penny Wallace abreso by okay before Wallace be free to vision 2020 Rollins senior anka was for buy and Mribiano yede generation capacity ni become a science or minor expand. He couldn't do that. And he said ya kwama sa ade na be hiti and biom under John Dramani Mahama. You can't blame John Dramani Mahama say oh no they doom so bad. Just like we can blame Abangwe for the economic mess woman buy because no this kind of basa. Everything points to that. What here no free wa. Besides say the only solution to regular supply of electricity. The fact is say baby energy to turn our generation plants on. and the energy should be reliable. And America makes sure that under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, at least we saw the establishment of Ghana Gas. We saw the conversion of generation capacities, into the gas now. For the last time, when was the last time I would say West African gas pipeline issues in Ghana say erratic? When was the last time? John Dramani Mahama Betina say, so that is what he has done to ensure regular supply of power. Of energy to ensure that we will continue to turn our generation capacity on. And it is so surprising, say, who give me taxes at the yard, at these taxes. Yeah, because I was saying, me, Momo, opposition, men can't tell what they are, me, me, who then why I was a problem. Last week, when and I said last month, when you ever say, doom so schedule, timetable, our money back. And also John Dramani Mahama, what is the problem? It is a doomso under John Dramani Mahama incompetence, a doomso under you and which is 700 billion. Obianye bida wokrumha. Which president? Kwame Nkrumah, Rawlings, Kufuor. Kufuor na ye man ye friends ye pick no. Onya sasika webi. And look at what he was able to do. What you say when you know yeah, cause I will catch up the me opposition, me men country, me my ideas how I will run the country. When I was talking about ideas how to run the country, one catch up said me incompetent. Have you come back to apologize for calling me incompetent? And you still expect me to do what you do, your job, that is not the case. Let me tell you, say or kasa I confirm my and no make us experience because emra na more catch and say confirm a problem. You need say COVID, life and death situation. COVID sikabeba mubeti nyafu. Na you have a regional chairman, regional executive, party executive. Obi a catch and sikatudu out of the COVID funds. When your life and death situation. And yes, Obi Ekwe bibi di abo obi. Eno kwa mwedi, mwati chesi kanedi. Na mwoti ha kadri obi se, wano mumu enka bibi nchire mu. But let me tell you, so obi sa idea, we are talking economy. And I'm very happy. Because Mate say, His Excellency Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, I started that issue view, the policy. And I say, and I want also the abase, young family, idea back one. On mine ni sikasem fiscal discipline. I don't know why. That is the major thing because you say yet me share so send your mekano etino kure kase sika ye nya no ye the way ko ha ye the beko ye the way be say ya ye the be ye ntiche ma party fo a obi ho say economy no be gina na nan so enti me come kire no one thing we can credit His Excellency John Dramani Mahama with the gift miss Ghana Integrated Financial Management System. The financial system and nshare will be also say ye spending in Sikano. We should spend it through the gift mix. Send a beya yen kotiche Sikano and koye bibia a bibe and do be bottom. And more masadia keke say mube disu are spending through the gift mix. What made this? Are you not spending outside gift mix? How many times does John Dramani Mahama I raise the issue of say move spending outside of gift mix in the end to me my accounting purposes end to me how many times has he said so? Say we this keke. Gift mix is backed by legal legal backing. I was a bambia diso. John Dramani Mahama Abresu as the head of economic management team and I gift mix. More I must say more the economic guru. Then and the work was I'm asking you, honorable IAP. Kadia Bakwa, Monsumu, flag bearer contenders in na way anymore. Who said they want to be in Kabako because more party in one day now car assembly wants to open contest. And again, what he catch I answer one of was woman sent to Abama after coming and leaving. But who catch the Ghana for says so more to Obama John Dramani Mahama after coming and living there and the Omwabaka and
the basis is different.
Yes.
Ochiremuna make said the position of John is unique because Onono based on say President Dino 2 terms about 2 terms about 2 terms about
MP.
So the issue
until
about
the people decide not to vote for you
doesn't come in because after 2 terms, you are not coming back to be voted for again. But MP, and already the presbyter, a year. In fact,
I say that is his analogy.
But no, that is how it is.
That is how it is in the Constitution.
You can't force me.
No, nobody forces you. We are forcing you to stick to the Constitution of Ghana. 1992 Constitution. You can't do your own thing.
And yet, in Shao, they told so. That's why I said that in the case of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, need DNA a unique because he has a term to complete his 2 terms.
And then no crowd make now what I'm putting together in general, I'm making a general statement to the effect to say, so no as former MP, so person come back because he has something to offer. Why don't see why John Dramani Mahama, who equally has an opportunity to say on all the money?
I don't think
that is my point.
I can say Manamba.
So I don't see why he has problem with John Dramani Mahama.
Ghanaians ought to decide.
What you are saying,
he wants to suggest the impression you were creating was that his comeback was very unnecessary.
Yes.
And yes, that impression. Me just say. No. What can I say? Because in my case, electricity I will make questions. Example. Let me show also the abysmal performance. Miyama waya. Anything ancestor of my
typical example. One kasa waka the solution for regular supply of electricity. I say we benya regular supply of energy. Obe power system. Man catch the Ghana gas. It was done under John Dramani Mahama. As a senior journalist, Tiana so Ghana gas say Mahama na deba na one country na me go ira me. Debbie. I wouldn't say President go for the Ghana gas special. The only thing they did is to change the location. And you are where you were here for comfort and now you're senior journalist. Now you're senior. You are senior most journalist. You know.
Procuracy interchange.
Go for the buy. For the
it will be a baby. Now we crowd the members a plan. As a beam,
yeah, on the 40 interchange.
Or no, or chef for Pukwasi, or chef for Pukwasi, President go for chef for Pukwasi.
When the dash show I said, I was saying Pukwasi interchange. President go for. On that so die. Then drink came from it. When that so die say, yeah, fuel, yeah, good oil, yeah, gas. So clearly speaking, from all angles, Utiom, my betty MPP for so we more chance. Na yen de no gegegegege hwe Ghana for TB as na ye be wie no the system papa we sente ya omde be ma che no na no ye din papa me pa na bitumi no to aka obi gegegege se wo na siri win na ba woni tape bi na e rouse me share tape but I'm say me ya wu what was that tape no
na anofum
I know what kind of foods I don't tape be before the but I don't even know which because we were tapes to be brave.
Yes.
But yeah, Brana Champ says tape. And I bet tape tape. Tape I will say any day we be coming pa you be say well madam for me to me
radio transfer so nko
they be mamen ka asem si asem so me mesre mona moka ana MB before they come asem bia emre bia say ebano propaganda NDC for na ya cut and paste ni ya keka ho obi biara obi de tape be ma na wa hwe ade a wo ma chiro tape no ya pesa video no so na wutie kasa na wo de compare na the same one then you have a cause to worry besides that me say of course we be show because near branch a tampon kai and all the enye problem e ma no mo party the party even supported his position in the that is the issue no ebe own person obeti so it's up to you be there no be problem besides that your law enforcement agency will come ha wo mo hwe asebda wo mo fi se bobi wo ho a they will take action and then life will go on.
What about Yambra issue NDC rise to Council of State to reconsider MPP EC board members. and I don't need to go through this. I think that this is a matter about Apaneko, on the appointment of a specific personality, Dr. Peter Apiahene, to the board of the Electoral Commission.
Well, Electoral Commission composition, Constitution, no president na appointing. Na president nominations na Council of State by him. Na Council of State, when the nation anya approval, what him na omagina so the two president for. So who nomination in the assembly and who nomination say the I was a san kakra eye. If we are na president, after na wongakoye wongajuma so in. But nipa bi nso de adwenkyere bi abasanke betumi a the president nominate we are enko parliament. Send your judges and they no ekon. But we a board membership. But me personally will be samia like I say to end this forth and back. Sanke end this and judges and the nanke beboa. We are no the parliament. Hodie is a bipartisan body. But for now, that is what the Constitution says. Now, Council of State issue movie, now president, appointment in the banner or so went in. Now, we can see Council of State in San Kofi Bima. That's the Constitution allows that. Let them know what they are called. It was space for Constitution. Say, Council of State would to me say, "Are they president? They are ban one him." Now, on a pension. What the no question I approve. I want to should to president for. Now president are nominating the panel no are so in. No one question Jumasan. So constitution with space in the letter because and yes I would show letter koya na Council of State after president. Hey, for uncle for the son for the Council of State must base their request to the president to resubmit the names on in the constitution. Because I just much more use money asem. Now so on some family be a bedding. If you were not seized with the facts well, I bet told you say when you actively an activist. And I say, ni American say, ni a working what she won't say one here na akọ awie no. So constitution no space wo in the constitution.
What will be so
and this was legal team or some legal team national letter
before the legal team. What will be so wrong if now we have come to the realization that your inclusion on the Electoral Commission's board.
Meaning, when you mean a democracy and you prepare constitution, send a big idea and you will be a sort of why you be a cake. Say, Obia to me, best change still here, or mine, and I come out say, but they make you see, piano in democracy, it must have space in the constitution.
But that's what I'm saying, sir. But do we have a space for an independent body, sir? Politically exposed, highly exposed personalities be a part of the board. Do you have that space?
We don't. Anything I can see, Council of State, Sabrano, referral no queer. A one beer anka NDC between the petition. I come Council of State to say, hey, request Yaba Monum. Instead of them doing that, social media, the print media, woman to me and petition the Council of State at the time president making referrals. I've been a chairman of committee in Parliament. At times referral is made to us. Request from institutions.
It's very important to say and take to NBC what the decision.
We are faithful to the constitution. You cannot do your own thing. You cannot set your own standards of democracy and practice.
The basis here, our person in our ETS and command consul is that. We have a constitution and a guiding principle.
Correct.
Outside that constitution.
Correct.
Within
the constitution. That is which part of the constitution?
Chance no
and the chance that you can't report
it. There's a constitutional requirement. Yeah. Council of State near way. It's at the time, President, it refer and come council say, but some assembly senior Electoral Commission board no son. Per na NDC, mode petition aqua say assembly senior yempe because of ABCD. No one ashim.
But
what changa yes so ni pani in no office. We were legal team. Elsanka legal team na advice. What na wa mo nga start adwuma wie. Afia nsana. we see only pana wabe commissioner no member of the commission no ono afiance na what antwe na council of state na me so say council of state betumi anya any clause in the constitution ejina so they are requesting president say on some list number na because council of state cannot write anything in vain or why no watch that come president say oh yeah approve names be ma asemesi some for one bra so they must quote the constitution that mandates them to do so.
Are you inferring, say, an astute, renowned lawyer,
yes,
internationally,
yes,
we are privileged to have him as the president,
yes,
is not aware of the dictates of the constitution? That
yes,
a highly exposed political
that
party
is your
person.
definition and your description for the person president in Akon. But Mensu Ujahana Bisamia, your view say yes. Why then I just say why highly exposed? It's the difference between exposed and highly exposed. The way you are exaggerating it.
Highly exposed.
No, it is not.
Continuously, he has served the interests of the MPP party.
Yes. He found a case to say, "Oh, MPP, Mukwana will jai MPP, and I will this no jai." You can't serve. You can't serve.
And then one of highly exposed contractors in the Omo.
Obi can so be a highly exposed contractors. We are contractor and here my contract. I was the chairman of schools. Yes, what project contract? Yeah, sign a amount. And oh, what is that? Yeah, that's sign amount. It's mommy end the point. Mommy end the point. Mommy end the point. Mommy end the point. We see where you are handing me. Listeners,
just do it for it.
It's the ambassador Chene say, "El Sienya, put me in Chiran Koma president." As she said, I still lawyer say, "Some for names in the bra." I will say to me quote an act or a clause in the constitution a mandate say obi to me listener all the same ye ni ha na former president Mahama e ko appointee only just a board member the chairman or the chairperson of the electoral commission ebi say any girlfriend ebi say we there bottom power ebi say oya kuma ka honsem ni e kwa dey for say bi on the permanent na da sorry nti ya kwa the name say 2016 is a foregone conclusion for us. What happened? It doesn't matter whether your relationship in the person. Yet, President Mahama lost the 2016 elections. Odin Kugu, the choice, but yeah, the chairperson of the commission, Odin Kugu. It's a son of Manaya Mumia. Only Panu to me, I hear irrespective of political interest. We are ever choice, ABS, from our President Mahama, chairperson of the electoral commission. He lost that. And that same person announced the results.
When you wake up to see and hear and read that Ovusu is now the new electoral commission.
Oh, you're kind of chairman of a political party. It's not because I'm not exaggerating. No, it's not about highly exposed. Exaggeration is too much.
No,
highly exposed.
No,
Stephen Tim, they are highly exposed. I agree.
You can't say who trust her. You careful. What's the meaning of a sector? And then where they told her. Then you said that.
Chairman McMahon is highly exposed.
Don't run away from what I'm saying.
But yes, I can be because that commission.
It's not true. Politicians more smart.
Because as you are here, it's your friend. You vote for a political party. You have soft spot for a political party.
I don't. I don't have.
Why are you become sensitive?
Don't go that far.
We need soft spot for a political party. But look at the way you are moderating your program. I listen to you.
No, I'm saying with the train.
I'm your follower.
No, I'm saying train. No problem. The IGP votes, the electoral commissioner votes. There's absolutely no problem. I vote.
Yes.
I have a party that.
But what they are with them, and this is Suchachi, I would say, so I think I was politically exposed. I want me.
Oh, or what?
I think don't have a party give it support.
Don't you vote? And this is but look at the way I'm moderating.
Yeah. But I don't know why it's become so sensitive. It's highly unusual with you. Highly unusual. Why are you so sensitive on this matter?
Because competent people cannot serve.
No.
So my opportunity.
I'm surprised about thinking that competent people are only people who are in politics.
No.
So there's nobody who is behind the scenes. No, I'm saying.
Yeah, Obia, when I would say highly exposed.
But he's exposed. If you speak,
almost everybody is exposed.
No.
Almost everybody is exposed.
What about IP? Are you saying you cannot look through the MPP, people who work behind the scenes for MPP, to be part of the electoral commission?
Maybe the definition of your exposed may be different from my definition.
So you sit here to speak every blessed day on behalf of the New Patriotic Party.
Maybe highly exposed.
But you're a Cadbury member.
This is not the first time I have such appointment. Because the fear in this whole issue of appointment at the Electoral Commission, from the utterances of MPP form paying for. And then your mocha, and in your bida. MPP is on record for the first time in the history of the Fourth Republic. Say, ye kotuaba, na ya boura, ye feze, coalition center, na ya botu, na among wu, na ye to me adane resource. I mean, it happened in this country. In the case of Of course. Of course.
The evidence shows that.
And they continue to have that suspicion. It's suspicious.
But he's not saying that's suspicious.
He's suspicious.
He aesthetically saying it.
I think I must be given opportunity to speak.
And I don't want Mark Pankura.
Given opportunity to speak.
So many people have done results.
When you go to Abrikuma Central, one young man, a friend of Abbas, Ben Kai.
Don't go there. Don't go. It's clear for everybody to.
Correct. Say you both me dying results.
Going forward.
Too many people, but you have too many people. We are dying results.
I also Mamikasa.
Man, another one boy crowd.
That's all Mamikasa.
Most of your text messages about on this matter of electoral commission and era appear in doctor. Yes, Dr. Apia, Peter Apia. Everybody back in Kenya, but make out say Franco Trading Enterprise father a safari tissue and have a rechoco and a zest consult as well as a Monday to Friday for and komowi emfa embro. Na masaka say yebekwa kotai nya bema kofi tonto achi ebra o memorial service amane maame a nyame adma kwasiada na eyemfie dua ne maame free atase for asase so. Erade nkoso fa ma ensi yi emaye. Na fe kwaku tade so members only Tinka Junction Kumasi asem na make ti baby unu team ni nyina na me adma memenda we ewa ahensan Kumasi ebekwa akotai kwaku tade achi na akokata ne papa achi oni ni nuanom ene ebusia fa akokata ne papa achi ti kwaku tade shedin so Franco Trading so make out say open iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, Smart TV, BI, free 32 copy 65 inches. Air conditions from 1.5 horsepower, copy 2.5. A free phone acquire BI of Franco Trading Enterprise. Mr. Offer numbers were 0246 422338 and that's 055 5939311. Now the Franco Trading for Ultimate Guitar. Or call website were www.francotrading.com. Now one the Guitar one be about Zest Consults. Apart from so one about when him DM what I travel so very near Juma from Quine. On say for 2 ya quantre for say oh when it Jemu say unobedi real estate won't come on babo etutu anamo see the amount automobile and now IT solution services so mabo kwanson kosokra. And which is super say auto wasase and auto asase usi dan and say almost sit down at the mount and I said car open biato and open bosian so kwanson koswa. In fact, open biakra bit my office accommodation and in one more kwanson koswa Zest Consult. Kumasi one cultural center and DHM so on the bank Kumasi Airport runabout. For 055 563163 and 050 909 2330. No, it's even on the digital. I mean, because in for IP, I want to say, Samsung, mianka semonipa alaji enso ewo hanum se alaji Nasiru enso ewo hanum se alaji una obeto aso amaye because ebe kona kona bo cheche ni nsemu in fact ose minsusu exaggerate highly exposed no hono de one ne menya adwene again ayadia matna se ayenhwe han ama president any council of state for wedding komo awie na yatuni ya so nipa no ohye na dwuma ase afei na mode mokrata ekoma council of state it will be quite difficult anyway no osi ya anya careful ibedu baby no enye obia e ma na nya adwuma bia mai because obia to aba e o kwan bi so nti yenye careful how we go about our things dear important and NDC for more count this matter
yo I'm say very simple and so direct yenyina yenim kebi mamin kebi any senior yade erane kebi mamin kebi amambo yade mra ene ye bibia na ohwe mra no a ema ho kwan se I was say yenya electoral commission no a samra no ema ehye say electoral commission no enye independent body ebe ye body a amanyo ku bia entumi nka say aye nedia ana so so obi ebetimi ahya wom say wom entumi ye bibi esa nsa nti I was say ye nyina no so ye te ase say at least if we follow historical antecedents ebe pemne before appointments we start you know obi biara obedi ade a obenya akwenya say obeyi nkofo ama wom akwa ejuma wo electoral commission as commissioners no or ye no with circumspection senior beya will not obliterate our democratic institutions Osha President Rawlings Abreso sa yede ebenya am say you started with a crab and bisa na yede benya Afarijan or the be ejuma I mean generally even the MPP then are want to boycott the entire election on the excuses say movie say ye wie money na keka ho o mo ntibe nya bibi anka wa Afarijan ye basa from Afarijan ebenya Charlotte say wo mo we see that is where the double standard starts because Charlotte say when to me am point say Charlotte say NDC ni branch ni the card ni
because we call fake posters
ni nyoma nyina ba just to show say Ghana for beji edi say NDC ni nti say that time no mo ye we nyina no just to make sure say Ghana for beji edi say NDC ni say sanso dia na enye say wo the NDC ni ebeba when you are in power na ne abedu so na enye say obi na e kan papa yi na asem elda TV so elda radio so elda internet so bibi biara we si ne bu aka say wono eye MPP ni a eye Dr. Piahin wanti say ne pa we wo appoint no a den bio e na aka untumi enye in making sure say democratic institutions no obe obliterate ni nyina and this is not the first one wo hwa ye wo Auditor General office ye nyina ye hu se ne adomlevo ene sa office no ewie na den na e ka fa ho especially when wasi hu obo hu sabrane se wo ye democrat wo ye mranim ni ate se wo ye so
freedom fighter
so hu ne America no wo ye no free wa ye nyina ye nim na se at the Bank of Ghana ye nyina ye nim se mra ebata ye veza the position ebo no ho ban eba ne sen ena papa no so esesa de nyoma koye wabra na embre ensign mutimi sesa dipa all these things you know raise question marks on your activity now why you sanga ma bedu bebia ye to aba na you expect to say obi biara ho no ye ejuma ebetumi wanhwe ni ya ebetumi de basabasa yo aba o man ni hu is say sa wo koye ejuma na wo dwen wo party ho e wo sa ejuma ni mu a obehu ana o the problem kese aba o man na wetumi etu sa na mo no edi nipa oye highly politically exposed the America say meje o highly exposure no etu mu eye say o ma heni wo begide say yenya ye amanyo sem ekasa ma amanyo no nyina no ye titiri no obi a betena hada wo betime yiba wo nipa ba ko din a wo betirem say aban eduma we na oye on to me because just by exposing yourself say wo bekasa ma party no why you politically exposed say eduma no na sa etu ahene we eye enye me na meka records no wo ho mo tapes ni bebre a wakeka nsem a kire say ono de say ba ne say MPP ni Ghana obi MPP first ne ne ekeka ho na wo decide pa we akoto bebia ye beto aba wono na behwe so wo expect say obetimi ayede aye fair in an election more so when even Charlotte say on your politically exposed. It's sign say nipa wode no ebe compete no aye John Dramani Mahama
highly personally exposed
meba na breast that point and appointment no aye vacant no and there
highly personally exposed to that competing with him
o say on your further consultation on be any consultation which is against the constitution now no come one MCC. It was against the constitution because constitution can say on obi ankodi nkita ho what's on the council of state and no this had o2 sa na mo no say dey be just because it's an election year approaching election year and on also a party to the election no yamfa constitution into nchen na on your broader consultation to ensure say bibia ankotochima ne ne ekeka ho ene se wo so why e bia na den na wo ka kire Ghana fo na senia na meka no enye nia wo mo aye ne keke efri nia wo mo nso ekeka uti o mampanyi na o ka se medie memfa to me emma bia te se MPP ni ana se MPP aban na medi to me no be ma o bia uti Brian Achampon na asem a wo kan utie Lord Comey
mampanyi se ne gidie ni say ono de obe hand it over to an MPP.
Correct. Yes. That is why he said.
So he's working towards that by making
there's absolutely nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Correct. Wakasa na yebe the director of operations so akabibi SSR na nu ye anso Brian Achampon kasa. Correct. Na wo hwa na montuo na omutu no a it will tell every rational being anamontuo no combined. Eye kasa ne keke. Kasa no is backed by certain anamontuo. A to say one kasa onum say nkofo yi ye nhyehyeye bia emwa ma ye democracy no engira ne
no mo adwene.
Enti eye ya adwene. It is very every rational human being. Ebedwene ho sa. We ye say ye ya adwene. Say ye wo adwene a bebi a ye kwoto aba no presiding officer no ye befa say NDC chairman or constituency what the presiding officer they just say won't you have a complaint, won't you say anything about it? Well, definitely you will raise the issue about it indeed and that is the fact can you say Council of State womo sa advice no and also more sa advice no ma o mampenya it is not in a vacuum so mo so be hwehwemu bi din a ye de abeto ye na apa ho sa do na ye wo say ye advice wo no ye behwe ehunu say saidi no a wo de aba no esefata nti ye de akoto wo manimu a ya asemu ye very simple say oh Council of State we are appealing to your conscience say adia o mampani ayi ade eye ana so say enye ade eye because ene the worst so far ye nya eye o mampani na do dankwa akufado.
That's according to you.
Yes, but that's
not factual.
What doesn't make it factual?
The worst in terms of what?
That are in our democratic processes are on share ma yendi embraso. Yenti America na sa ne say na abreso e na nipa be 9 ewu ye answer yetimi declare election. Na abreso e na nipa correct.
Nipa 9 we as ne declare
abatuo pension ono no kire nipa a woni hwere woni nkwa
demonstration nya abatu ya to abet declare results awie no and nipa bi ya demonstration na nipa bi wi
abatu
bre ya to abet bi declare results who say won ti ase and wa ko demonstration na nipa bi ato nipa na depending not together
na yeah just say and the
one try you ground and na mo one
kan akosi su biom say na abreso na ye kwoto aba na ye tumi nya aban awomo hye soldier for states.
That is what I was trying to say.
Ekura states events a two edible nipa me no wo kasa ebinua you shall yaro under them
can the way you know I
was West Wogo ba mu kura ma to say ebeye enhye e wo aban no say yenye nhwehwemu because ade no say na esikwa na enye yenye nhwehwemu ekosi ye ehu say aban anye ni yi compensation wo a yemfa man nkrofo na ye prepare wo mo
understand the compensation
up to today bibi amai so we American nti sa nipa no say me hihye ne yo no e kire say on my near ABCBR because say I didn't know if any way na and whatever the consequences will be or starting a two sound on one way I was say appeal to the conscience of the Council of State. You did say one way penny for Council of State for no and you omunina and politically you say Khaled one more interest ahimfu wo mu you say asofo wo mu ni ekeka ho a wo mu so betimi atena say bibi wo ho a mo atwe o mampanyin na adwen ama na ehu ne say ye koye ni mu no ye benya obi o sin o mampanyin na nado ono de crazy kura na ono so aye ye koka o say ye president na eno no wan e na de democracy fe ya ye nyina ye bo ho ban no wan e de ne codage
me das Basiru Alaji but mo ye mo narration na mo painting picture ne say enipa nkono erade mfo mu nyina crazy na ebusia for so ama mo ya connection den kese pa there's a political education we need to give to ourselves. Every biara na opposition for no takes advantage of some of these things, but as a matter of fact it doesn't help both the opposition and the government in power. They are worrying. I will support on any day any ahokeka yede be nhwemu ehu de ntia saa ewu ni baaye nipa ye betwe na so na ya prese saa bato ho nkwanhia ne nyoma ensem fatase no ebinsi especially do incident ba konso ablekuma
central
known you see known activists who claim to be part of the security service of this country but known people very known misbehaving we cannot continue to entertain that is genuine
and what agglomeration so you twitwa ni part say people be twitwa mo say nam ye do mo to dua so twam say na nkwansen bia
omode states accoutrement na koya sadia we are talking about this one states accoutrement the two no bikra no ya
na because Obama me
states
na Obama me time
maybe I'm not for abolition
who is the the American say near ya investigation and no yeah
we should and no we are acting on it
we are acting on it obi le kwa just acting on it
my mobile program yi abaso first year ba ha utumi to fuel bukam no I drive from Taifa Nasuru meaning baby a wote no wa bedua no mama in 30 minutes and 1.5 hours ina yegusukoi mo ya de ya kan fe dem se watie yen so frɛ na ubata what to fuel now enya wo
1.5 hours say yeah, about 1.5 hours. Not the over car, they say, wo buy no, what buy me. What buy me? The bomb, the
air time is very expensive, especially air time for Adom tea.
Yeah, very
you know how hot your system is into your air time is very expensive. And when I'm 1.5 hours, so I was expecting you to say, oh, now can I? Because 1.5 hours.
Wajibu be 45 minutes.
Me no nyina na complain say what me betena ha saa ye bet so car no me 30 minutes at time 45 minutes won aya de a na wasen atuka na akoba
ade o closing way
that me go see na and ma me say 1.5 hours na aka 10 minutes
aka 8 minutes was 6 minutes
ye be bom abaso o ma ya de afi menkun say advert no kra no the start moment you flow first work asaka kra na twan ni yanko ya advert ma dey we break back pe 1.5 hours ma member me say
okay ye bo nsem
na me sew
yes
catch you nua na say ye betra ha ye education nti asem bia obeka no hu say e no kware se na be ya umisinform Ghana fo nipa wo we ewo tachiman any other areas in 2020 elections. You declare results ni wie no.
Baby, it's not true.
We have
Abbas, Ablekuma Central.
And woman security agencies need be clashing in the dependent before one. Obia ultimate trakasi. You come nipa ansana you to declare results.
On the case you kunipa say declare.
Oh no kind.
You kunipa say declare.
Okay, when I'm going to stop now we say one thing. He said it on your show this right now.
I know power.
Since I'm going to stop now platform no so. One bank. Cause one can. Cause one can. He said it.
Okay, we are better.
No di yesterday.
And the information.
Okay, say you come nipa 8 we fine that the report yenya. I mean a certain commission mo hwemu ya that. But so okay see you come nipa answer to declare results. In fact, yeah, enya sa dey see. It na me say me twena adwene si so. Say me sre no. Ya kasa. Ya kasa network international organizations ni ade nyina ati when me say enya sa dey see. It all kind of say now we exaggerate issues now okra penisi now ya ama correct asem we exaggerate issues ama so man
Abbas
enipa free mu
but anya enfima san as sanka nipa na enwi anka yentuma declare results but nipa no ye result declare one tias
but you worry say nipa free
yes sadly me mom nsem me nye me say nipa na anti wo ho ase na wo ti gu mo nten so na nipa
okay over 0302211701 equity 4 just about 2-3 callers now if you wrap up whilst Alhaji Beka say 0302211701 equity 4 0302211701 because Beka you just about 2-3 minutes now if you was it then wrap up Alhaji Pajomiti
since 1992 you need record bia obeko coalition center and a polling station na one who say obidi to aba obi me making reference to yenua Abbas Ablekuma Central ono ne de NC wo coalition center ye bone to ho ye womo a womo bone to no so ye nim wo omo ye MPP for to be na de bone no ye oman state no to any state amo na e wo mu na de bone no a owu ye men kai busuafo ya yes we ye answer ye declare election enti say me can na me wo gina so bia na me gina so besides that in the history of this country o man me no when say no matter what me cry me political actor see do nketia the chairman of our party and then on to me embonwura parliament you can say plenary ho it's say emra no emma no kwan yes apart from we minister and also we member of
Douglas
and I say Douglas beba no but for the first time in the history of Mampenyi na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo was yenya a soldier for mu bowure mu mu kura tuo yes o mu bowure mu keke o mu kura tuo today
Douglas
to keep peace.
Hello.
Yes Douglas what you say
But so nyame adom na no so
oh nyame adom boko
me pato me dama sini mutuma tia mutima ya anopolika nyambo ko ntonti permission no manye na mpacho bibiri ya na omo we se mahama oba be president enti kaimu ya kaimu dum so ya for many bra ya nyuma kuye ni nyina ai kai nti omo kasa me sere omo aya omo nya otre no mo ye pa pa ni omo de foto ka me brand na ne board enchen ka bad branding nti we fi nti ya omo kan no kan ni nyina ai kai.
all right
yeah can they and fa omo pe omo fa obi a omo media ye nim ne da na emla no nti sa mahama de omo tum na.
all right me da CP hey na Kumasi mayor personal assistant de onya oya de nya akwanya be kasa e wo me fidie so go mayor sin na mo pi o sa e mi krom ni ma che
Yura sampa so o chiao Juma na me yelo
look man
o ma hene confidence ante
Benjamin me watch you
me fa cha me shawo say na no birthday me ni say ka o
man o ja we che na me gusu ya me don kai
me me yo wa ma
Pageti
o ma hene die tie die me che bedwafo nyina na die tie die ye nyina ye tigana ha obekaya ye kokoto aba ye wura bamba be we ne speaker no ana okokoye okokoyi NDC General Mosquito okokoma parliamentary service board MPP can die ben esanse wono na ye tumi ni kwa nti no ba bi tumi wo chilie ni ho na wo mampanya appointi obi so monko isia nti gba ade pompo na chese 2024 election no MPP be win se munya adwuma wo fom de e ka chen DC for no omunya adwuma wo fom no ne fom for no nkasa na ne beti mo ma win ogofo na ya appointi o mo no bibia so ntere omu be o mba be adwuma e dia favor MPP for baby adwuma no fom nti
Okay, so Mamenda Luke Manase, let's all have a blessed day. Incredible 4 day near China, big one. Monday, a holiday. Inti Alaji Collins Dada, Alaji Nasiru. Oh, me Muslims from Baba Jamal, watch this space, that's how I call him. And all the Muslims, you know. Namaya Adoma, anytime. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The message Muslimi Mranti no wuju moto so mo to mbo ase.
I see a wish you mo. Minim say bi o be ba na ya be wish.
Oh, there be upon.
Oh, I patcho. Ma me wish me nua. Happy mo kan den kan jam no ya Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. And I be ayensu an of Muslims nyina. Me ba be di mo bronya. Eye nyame.
Alaji ko so.
Oh, na be de em say Ghana fo nyina em say fire e boy na yesterday and football say obeji empire bo na Oma asumbiaba oman Ghana.
Okay, so
na yetumi eye bibia na nyina ye papa ye bibia the national chief imam the grand mufti of Ghana ye man official pa. Woni mi say ne birthday so
e dey see e do bibia see bye.